welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share some new makeup that I've been testing out. I have a foundation, a primer, a lip topper. I have two palettes. One of them you're going to see me using in the video. Another one you are going to see me using in a get ready with me. You'll see me using some of the colors, and I'll probably do some other looks with it. That is what I'm going to share in today's video. I am normally not a fan of primers. I'm just not a fan of primers. I just don't feel like they really work. I don't feel like they keep my makeup on any longer. I'm just not a fan of them. But one of the reasons I was interested to get this gripping primer is because of my nose. Now, I've shared that with you guys. I usually don't wear makeup on my nose because it comes off. So I was curious to test this out, and I'm actually really liking it. I don't know if it's something I'm going to use every day, though. I'm just going to be honest with you, because I like my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. That's my primer. And I've had this since, I think I purchased this in March, and we're in September, and I still have plenty left. I mean, it doesn't look like a lot, but I do. I mean, I think I should get through the month with this, at least. So if I don't get to October, that's still March, April, May, June, July, August, 7 months. So keep that in mind, okay? But I wanted to try this. This one is from Urban Decay. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Glow Face Primer. It says dewy foundation grip, preps, smooths, and hydrates. I don't know if it looks glowy, but I do have a glow on me, and I did not use I used my Charlotte Tilbury in the morning, but I did not use it again. Like, I just used this one today. I really like it. Now, how is it working on my nose? It stays out really well on my nose. I still have areas where my glasses sit, and so it's not 100%, but I still can see it's not too bad right now because I haven't had them on since I put my makeup on. But it does wear down a little bit still. It's going to be honest. When I wear my glasses, that's one of the things I hate about putting makeup on my nose. But other than that, I feel like this does work really well at keeping my makeup on my face all day. Really, really good one. So if you're looking for a primer, a gripping primer, I definitely would recommend it. Again, it's not something I'm going to use every day because I just don't like to have too much stuff on my face. I just don't. But if I'm going to be out in a lot of heat and humidity or anything like that, if I'm wearing my mask and I want to really keep it on longer, then I would recommend something like this. So really, really good. Definitely recommend it. Then I decided to try another foundation. I actually just ordered another one too that just came out, and so I will let you know on that one. Now this one is from Chanel. This is not new, but I was just looking to try something new, and so I came across this. And not because I don't like what I have, but I always like to try different things for you guys. So if you're kind of bored with what you have and you want to try something new, I like to try different things. You don't have to have 50 primers. You don't have to have 50 foundations. I'm just sharing this for anybody that's looking to try something new. Okay, so this is the Chanel Ultra Le Teint, and it's an ultra wear all day comfort flawless finish foundation. I like it. I like it a lot. I've been wearing it all weekend long. It wears well on my face throughout the day. I wore it without the primer, and now today I'm wearing it with the primer, but I did wear it all on its own without the primer, and I'm wearing it with the primer. So I've done it 2 different ways. Love it. Love it. It wears well on me. I have oily, dry combination skin, and it wears well on me. So I feel like anybody can wear this foundation, but then I was reading the comments on the reviews on this, and there were some mature ladies that said this was horrible on them. So I'm just telling you, on my skin, I really like it. What I don't like is the fragrance. So I'm torn on whether I want to keep this or not, to be honest, because it is really, I don't know, why does Chanel have to put a fragrance in every freaking thing they do? I don't get the point of it. Now, I do have the Lumiere Velvet. I know they changed the name, but it's back there. And that one has a fragrance too, but I feel like this one lingers a little bit longer than that one. To be honest, it does. It lingers on a little bit longer than that one. So that is the negative for me. I don't worry about it sitting on my face because I have so much skincare on that it's not just, I don't feel like this is just sitting on my face. So I don't worry about it. It wouldn't be a foundation I would wear every day, just like the other one. So that doesn't bother me. I just really wish the scent wasn't in there. So if you're someone that does not like scented stuff, you're going to hate this. Okay. Now I tried one last year. It was from Guerlain. That one I couldn't even. It was just so perfumey. It was ridiculous. It was way over the top perfumey for me and I couldn't do it. This one does have a fragrance to it. And I wish they didn't, but it eventually goes away. But it does take several minutes before it goes away. I'm not going to lie to you. So keep that in mind. But the finish on it, I think it's beautiful. And you guys saw a zoomed in look of what my face looks like. So I've been wearing it for a little bit now because I've been filming a couple different videos and I still think it looks good. On me, it wears throughout the day. It doesn't slide off my face. It doesn't look greasy. I don't apply a lot of foundation. I never do. I used a beauty blender to apply it. I use a beauty blender to apply everything and I really push it into my skin. That's the only way I put my makeup on. I just feel like it just looks nicer. I feel like it wears better throughout the day. And so I really, really, really do like this. I would recommend it, but just know that there is fragrance in it. So yeah. Let me get to something that I tried. I saw someone share this. So it's the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Diamonds Glossy Starlit Sparkling Lip Looks. And first off, why is this so small? Some of our stuff is so small for the price, like, you know what I mean? So let me see if I can open this up. I did use it already and I put it back in the box because it's going back. So this is the size of it. That's how big it is. I just expected it to be a little bit bigger. So I'm thinking you're not getting a lot of product in here. I don't know if I can push it all the way up. Hopefully I don't break it because I'm going to return it. But there you see how much you get, okay? It's just not pretty on me. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. So this is what it looks like swatched on my wrist. It looks pretty, but it doesn't look pretty on me. And I kind of feel like glitter on my lips when I wear it. Now I got something recently from her and I do like this. And this is the Charlotte Tilbury Walk of No Shame gloss. Now somebody said that they didn't like this. I don't know if one of my subscribers said this or if it was something that I read in a review, but I don't know. Somebody said that they felt like they had glitter on their lips. I didn't get that with this, but I definitely got it with this. This one, no, don't like it. Don't like the color on me. Don't like the way it feels on me. That's going back. And I also decided to pick up the medium Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Now I have the original one and you're going to see them side by side. They're so similar, you guys. To me, they're very, very similar. So I like both of them. I'm glad that I have the medium. It's just a tad bit darker, but I think they're both really, really pretty. Today I'm wearing the medium on my lips. And I'm wearing the Dance Floor Princess lipstick, and I'm wearing the City Lips Beauty in the San Diego because it kind of plucks up my lips a little bit. So that's a no on the Charlotte Tilbury. That's a no. One of the palettes that I got was this one. This is the Born to Run palette. This is from Urban Decay. First off, I'm a Bruce Springsteen fan, so I don't know what took me so long to get it. So love the packaging on it. Love the packaging. And then inside, colors are gorgeous. You don't get a brush with this one. Colors are beautiful. So many people said they loved this one, so I had to pick it up. I am wearing the colors today. You're going to see me apply some of the shadows and do a really quick look for you guys. So let me talk about it while you're watching me apply the shadows. Really beautiful shadows. I haven't used all of them in the palette. I have been messing around and using some other ones besides what I'm sharing with you on camera. Some of these colors I just didn't like the way they looked on me when I was playing, so that's why you're seeing me with brown. I don't know. I just don't feel like I look good on a lot of these crazy colors. I'm gonna maybe use them as eyeliners or something, but on shadows for me, I just go for the neutrals. And there's a lot of neutrals in here to do a lot of different kind of neutral looks in here. So that's what I really liked about it. There's only a couple of colors in here that are kind of, you know, different colors, but most of the colors in the palette are neutral colors. So I think they're really, really nice colors. I think they're blendable and pigmented. If I were to compare this to what for me is still my favorite eyeshadow formula, which would be the Anastasia, which I haven't bought one of those palettes in a while, I would say the Anastasia is still better as far as formula than this. But still a really, really nice palette. I think you're gonna get a lot of different looks with it, so I'm glad that I have it, and I will enjoy that. The other palette that I got, which you're not gonna see in this video of me doing, but you are going to see me in a Chatty Get Ready with me. I'm going to be using this palette, and it's the Tiny Marvels from Sydney Grace. This is the one that Mel Thompson did the collab on. Her formula is beautiful. It really, really is. It's beautiful. Love, love, love the colors in here. There's some in here that not going to be using, or I maybe use it as a liner, but there are a lot of colors in here that I feel like I can still pull off a neutral look. You'll see me using that in some other videos coming up. I'll share some different looks with you guys, but really beautiful quality. I definitely would recommend that. Okay, something else that I wanted to mention, I'm talking loud because I'm being annoyed. Something else I wanted to mention, it's not makeup related, that I decided to order is these are from Lily Silk. I keep seeing Lily Silk lately. So I decided to put an order in for these scrunchies and for this headband. Oh my God, I love it. I wear this around the house a lot of times, and I love wearing it even when I'm doing taking my makeup off. Sometimes when I'm putting my makeup on, you're gonna see me wear this. Silk is really like nice and gentle on your hair, so that's what I like about it. And I just think they're cute. Instead of my little coily things, which I just like the little scrunchie. So I want to get a couple different colors. I have this color, I have a green color, a blue color, and like a neutral color, like a brown kind of color. I think I'm gonna order a couple more because I really, really like these. I just wanted to share with you guys. So if you heard about it, that brand, I just wanted to put it out there. I am really enjoying these. Makes me want to order more. And they came super fast. Like I ordered it and like in 2 days I got it. Let me know if you tried any of these products. Have you tried the foundation? Do you like it, not like it? The palette? Anything? Share your thoughts below because I know it's helpful to everybody else, because just because I love something doesn't mean you're going to love it, and vice versa. So I want my channel to be, you know, I want to help each other. All right. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Really, 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 really am thankful to each and every single one of you for taking time out to watch my videos. Would love it if you're not a subscriber, please click that subscribe button. I share new videos every single week. Would really appreciate your support. And I would really appreciate it if you would share this video. You could share it to Twitter, to Pinterest, to Facebook. Really, really helps my channel. Would really appreciate it. You can follow me on TikTok. You can follow me on Instagram. I will leave links below and everything that I am wearing in this video. And I will catch you guys all in my next video. Okay. So something else I want to mention, it's not makeup related, and I don't have them all in front of me, but I swear to God. Are you kidding? Are you serious? Are you freaking kidding me? Everybody calm down. Okay. Okay, Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Diamonds Glossy Stap Lit. Oh, Starlit, sorry. I don't know how to read. And then we got this clown out here with the freaking thing. Okay. And one more thing that I want to mention, because you're going to see me. Oh my God, I swear to God. One other thing that I want to mention is these. I know it has nothing to do with makeup, but I don't have all of them in front of me, but these are the little silk scrunchies. I swear. I swear, my bloopers are me being annoyed. Okay, we're just gonna have to go with it.